Okay, so you may remember some time back I said that there was a guy that sent me a message saying my car sounded absolutely awesome and just drove past him at a bus stop. Well, it turns out he's also a subscriber and he's been following the channel for a very long time. So I'm going up to see another friend at Goodwood and I thought I would take him along for a drive. So let's go pick him up, shall we? Welcome back to the Utilist Garage. Today we're going to... So this is Brandon, and this is the guy that messaged me when I was drove past him and made a load of noise. We're going to go up to Goodwood now.
This is the best bit. Never gets old.
Okay, so you can see they're all queuing up to go on the track, and I believe right at the front of that is my mate with his GTR. So let's see if we can catch him before he actually gets on the track, shall we? Good morning, young sir.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, not too bad, you?
Yeah, very well.
I said I'd try to come down, didn't I?
Yeah, you alright?
Yeah, not too bad. So here's GTR, it's not a stock GTR. I'll explain all that about that later when it comes back off the track. But hopefully we'll catch a bit of a launch in a second. Okay, so we're just going to have a quick look, see what else is here quickly. So many Porsches in there. There's absolutely loads of them. That's very nice, I like that a lot.
Just because the car's not what it should be.
However, out of all of them, like I said, that livery on that Porsche. Yeah, I could ruin that. Nice Lotus. Oh, whatever just started up there. Aston Martin. That's the one that you was admiring the colour on, weren't it? 620R McLaren. Here comes the Aston. Beautiful car. Here comes the Aston that we heard starting up a minute ago. Beautiful sound to it. That's a very, very cool Pantera. Okay, so when I said to you earlier that Gary's car is not a standard car, here's some of the facts. So today it was running on low boost, so it was only running at 900 horsepower. When it's on full boost, on pump petrol, it would be running 1180. Now this car, like I said, it's not a standard engine, it's a Litchfield built, full forged internals engine and gearbox. With launch control, he's done a 0 to 60 in 2.6 seconds, and running a top speed of 210.8 miles per hour. Now that is absolutely amazing. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoy it. Please do hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you again very, very soon.